severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County, western Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County, eastern Ross County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chillicothe, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Circleville, Kingston, Logan Elm Village, North Folk Village, Amanda, Londonderry, Stoutsville, Laurelville, Adelphi, Tarleton, Mooresville, South Bloomingville, Clearport, Masseyville, Buena Vista in the Hocking County, Andersonville, Gibbonsville, Whistler, and Summit Hill. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.